Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. Today we're on part 4 of the Camry hybrid. On this video I'm gonna take off the whole front clip again and start welding the frame rails in, but I'm not gonna film me taking it apart. You already saw that enough. So excuse me. So today that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to get everything all welded in and grind it down and maybe paint it in or whatnot. So I'll be right back right before I weld. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, back on the 2010 Toyota Camry. Sorry I didn't film a lot of this stuff, but I've had this thing since August 15th of last year, 2023, and we're in March almost. So this is taking way too long. Yeah, so I've been doing a lot of stuff off camera, but as you can see, it's all complete. I'm getting it prepped for paint. Probably do that tomorrow, but like I said, I'm sorry I didn't film a lot of things, and it's not perfect. It's not like this right here. I couldn't get this body line right. Like I said, this car shouldn't have been fixed, but we fixed it. Let's see, then it's off right there, but I already showed the customer. Customer is cool about it. He just wants it back. Like I said, we've been working on this too long, so I might film me prepping it and painting it tomorrow. Well, prep it today, paint tomorrow. I'm gonna do the headlights right now. You see me doing enough headlights, so I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'll come back and start sanding. I'll probably do a time lapse on that. Okay, it's all prepped and ready for paint. Headlights are sanded. Took off the grill and the emblem. I am gonna paint that bottom grill white and the fog light cap white. Just makes it look better because there's not really anything black in front. The emblem is gray and chrome, and then the grill is gray and chrome. So yeah, I'm gonna paint that white. But took the hybrid off. Gotta put some etching primer on that. Went down to the metal. The door, I'll do this tomorrow when I take off the mirror. Just sand it real quick. Yeah, the door's done. Fender, bumper, hood, and this headlight and fender is ready for paint. Again, I gotta put etching primer there. But yeah, this thing's ready for tomorrow. All right, we'll be back mañana. And bam, there you have it, painted and slicked in. Not bad, like I said, not bad for an outside job. Heck yeah. And it should match. White is white on Toyota. It's called super white, so there's no matching involved, no nothing. But yeah, it is going to be shinier than the other part of the car. But yeah, headlights came out sweet too. Heck yeah. But yep, this thing is done, complete. Awesome. All right, now let's put it back together and I'll be right back. And there it is, complete, done. We are done. I got it all done today. I just got to put the fender liners in. I got those sitting over here, and the fender foam and the fender liners. Those are the two front on both sides. But yeah, it matches. It's just that this is like super dull, but it does match. Headlights came out sweet. Yeah, like I said, it does match. Toyota can't even talk, I'm so tired, only has one white. And the reason why, like I said, this is dull. Look at the bumper. I never touched it and it does the same thing. It's a different kind of a color because it's dull. Once he gets it buffed out, it's gonna look good. See, here's another angle. Perfect. Look at that. Looks just like my door over there on the other side and right here. So that's gonna end this series on this Camry. Finally, many months. And that's gonna end today's Bobby's Backyard on the 2010 Camry Hybrid. Please consider subscribing on the corner right there, and if you can, please hit that like button. Hit that bell, get notifications when I put new videos out, and please comment down below. Really helps out the channel. Talk to you guys later.